Let's now look at putting the letter B into Morse code rhythms. B in Morse code is da did it, or long, short, short, short. To put B into Morse code rhythms, we would do a quarter note followed by 3/8 notes. Let's pull those up and see what that would look like. I'm going to pull up a quarter note and put it way over here at the beginning, followed by the 3/8 notes. So there's a single eighth note, here's another single eighth note, and there's the last one. And let's see if I can get all 4 of these in a row for us to see what that would look like. So we've got da did it. A quarter note followed by 3/8 notes is the letter B in Morse code rhythms.